Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lots of beautiful different type of bodycon and sheath dresses. Beautiful and gorgeous in colors and combinations. And attractive ideas are shared. As you can see, I have shared beautiful designing ideas in today's video, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. Different type of bodycon and sheath dresses are shared. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. So friends, if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. So friends, also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of beautiful outfits for girls and also for different ages women's, like over 30, over 40 and over 50 women's. And also over 60 women's outfit ideas and different ideas like bodycon dresses, evening dresses, occasional dresses, and nail art designs, and lots of ideas like evening wear, party wear, work wear. And also I have shared occasional dresses, beautiful and gorgeous haircuts, different type of haircuts and hairdos. Hope so you will enjoy it and like those ideas. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist. And now let me say to take care. Bye bye.